Okay, students. So this is the second part of the continuation of the topic conjunctions. Okay. So let us straight away start with the conjunction. The conjunction that we are going to discuss now is that. Okay. Where is the conjunction that used? That is used whenever we someone wants to state something, किसी को कुछ बताना है या कुछ रीज़न देना है, और somebody is telling something कि ऐसा मुझे ऐसा बोलना है कि ये ऐसा ऐसा है, ठीक है. सो whenever we want to state something, whenever we want to tell something, or whenever anybody wants to tell or state something, or want to give a reason for that, for some action, at that particular time we use the conjunction that. One sentence is a action and the other sentence is the statement that they want to tell. So to join such sentences we will use the conjunction that. Generally that is used when we convert direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, it is a topic that we'll be studying later on. So in this situation direct to direct, indirect jab karte hain, at that part we will be studying this the use of that. So right now let us look at some example of that. It is true that my father has written 3 children's book. Okay, so this is a statement. It is true कि my father has written 3 children's book. Okay, so this is how it states a fact कि ऐसा बताने के लिए कि भाई ऐसा हुआ है कर. Then I was so tired last night that I slept at once. Here is giving a reason. I was so tired कि मैं सो गया. Okay, so I was so tired last night that I slept at once. So this is telling about a reason. So that can be used to state something, to tell something, as well as to give a reason also. Okay, students. Now let us go to the next conjunction. It is if. If is used when we are telling about an action कि भाई ये होगा अगर ये किया. If this is done, this will happen, or if this is not done, this will not happen, or if this is done, it will not happen, or if this is not done, this will happen. In any way there is a supposition. It depends upon the previous action कि भाई what is going to happen in the next action. So in that situation we use the conjunction if. Examples: I will do this task if I get spare time today. ओके, मैं करूँगा अगर मुझे स्पेयर टाइम मिला तो. नेक्स्ट, मीरा विल बोरो माई कोट इफ इट गेट्स कोल्ड. अगर ठंडी लगा तो शी विल बोरो माई कोट. सो सपोजिशन के होगा अगर ऐसा हुआ, अगर ऐसा हुआ. ओके, या अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ. सो दैट इज वेयर वी यूज द कंजंक्शन if. Okay, now let us go to the next conjunction, since. Since is also used as a preposition. I had explained it in the part of preposition that some action is done in the past और हमको exact पता है भाई उस टाइम पे action start हुआ, वहाँ से action चल रहा है. It is almost the same meaning here also. That is, if we want to tell कि this will happen, क्यों? क्योंकि ये पास्ट का ये टाइम से ये काम हो रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई दिस विल हैपन. एक तरह से रीजन, टू शो अ रीजन दैट इन द पास्ट समथिंग हैपेंड और वो चल रहा है, इसके वजह से दिस विल हैपन. टू शो लाइक दैट, टू शो सच अ सिचुएशन वी यूज द कंजंक्शन सिंस. ओके, लेट अस लुक एट सम एग्जांपल. माय आर्म हर्ट्स, आई हैव फ्रैक्चर्ड इट. माय आर्म हर्ट्स, माय आर्म इज पेनिंग सिंस I have fractured it. ठीक है, तो it is paining. So some action is, something happens right now because something happened in the past since at a particular time. Okay, so that is where we use the conjunction since to show a reason that for something that happened in the past. Now the next conjunction is as. As is when to show a reason when something is being done. ठीक है, to show a reason or when something is being done we use the conjunction as. Just let us see. The teacher entered the class, everyone stopped talking. Okay, so as the teacher entered the class everyone stopped talking. जैसे ये हुआ वैसे ही हुआ. As this happened, this happened. Okay, so in the same way to show a reason or when something is being done. When did they stop talking? When as soon as the teacher entered the class. So to join such sentences we use the conjunction as. Okay, then next one, the next conjunction is while. We use the conjunction while when we want to speak about two actions that is going on simultaneously. दोनों बाजू बाजू में, दोनों बराबर बराबर पैरेलली, that is being done. In such a situation we use conjunction while to join the two sentences where the two sentences are telling about action which are conducted parallelly together, okay, simultaneous to each other. So the teacher was teaching, the students were listening to her. Teacher was teaching, the students were listening to her, both the actions are going on parallelly. So to join these sentences we use the conjunction while. The teacher was teaching while the students were listening to her. Okay, so this is two actions that is going parallelly, conducted simultaneous to each other, and we use the conjunction while to join these two sentences. Okay, now the next one is after. Okay, after and before we can understand it together. After means two sentences, one sentence tells that this action was done after this, एक action हुआ उसके बाद ये हुआ, ऐसे बताने के टाइम to join those such two sentences we use the conjunction after. और पहले हुआ, ऐसा कोई एक action जो पहले हुआ बाद में ये हुआ, so for that we use the conjunction before. Now let us look at the example. There was lot of excitement, the principal had shared the news. पहले एक्शन हुआ, there was a lot of excitement, किसके बाद? द प्रिंसिपल ने पहले डिक्लेयर कर दिया था और हैड शेयर्ड द न्यूज. सो उसके बाद प्रिंसिपल ने बताया, उसके बाद ऐसा हुआ. सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट आफ्टर द प्रिंसिपल हैड शेयर्ड द न्यूज. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ वी जॉइन दिस सेंटेंस. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द एग्जांपल ऑफ बिफोर. आई हैड फिनिश्ड माय होमवर्क, माई फ्रेंड्स केम ओवर टू प्ले. लेकिन फ्रेंड्स आए उसके पहले, आई हैड फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क. सो आई हैड फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क before my friends came over to play. So this is how we use after and before, the conjunctions after and before, to show something that was done after this thing. The first sentence was after this second sentence, second one, the first sentence was done before the second sentence. इस तरह से to show some action which was done earlier or later we use the conjunction after or before. Okay, now let us go to the next conjunction. It is अनलेस. अनलेस मतलब हम बोलते हैं कोई जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक ये नहीं होगा. ठीक है, जब तक आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करेंगे तब तक आप डेवलप नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो दैट जब तक, दैट वन फीलिंग इज हियर एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय द कंजंक्शन unless. Okay, now let us look at the example. He will not do this unless we motivate him. Okay, वो जब तक हम उसको मोटिवेट नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो ये नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो फॉर दैट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी यूज द कंजंक्शन अनलेस. ओके, सो अनलेस टेल्स तब तक, इट मे हैपन if you do this. अभी यहाँ तक, if something like this is done then this will happen, till this is done it will not be done. Okay, so for such sentences we use the conjunction unless. Okay students, no, I hope you are clear with these topics and the conjunctions that we discussed. You must go through both the videos very rigorously, very nicely. Go through it 2-3 times, and whatever doubts you have, please ask to me during the doubt clearing session. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of your health, take care of your academics, your studies, and also obey your parents and do good during this difficult time. So when the difficult time is over, we will be in a very good position. Okay students, take care, bye.